Hey guys, I'm here to show you how you can annotate for your reading assignments right in your textbook. So we're going to come from Canvas. Remember to access our textbook. We go Canvas, your course, My Perspective textbook. We're going to open in a new tab. You're going to sign in. Remember, I'm going to sign out very quickly so that I can show you all. Remember, when you sign in, it is your lunch number, your 6-digit lunch number at student.scsk12.org at SHELBY-TN. Your password is the lowercase b and your 2-digit month, 2-digit date, 4-digit year, no spaces, and then you're going to hit sign in. This is how it looks on the student side. If you've already set up your your student workbook, if you created your profile. If you haven't, it's going to give you another screen. It may say something about Easy Bridge. What you do is you just click English 1 and it's going to give you a drop down. You're going to click that and it's going to take you to the screen so that you can set up your profile. And you just follow that, the steps, and it's 4 steps, and then you will come to this screen. So you guys have to click under classes. You should click the date, and then what you would typically see is the text here. It's going to, or the assignment, because if you haven't started, under not started, you will see the assignment. Because I've already started this with the other classes, you will click in progress because you're currently trying to work on this. So we're going to click this. It is going to take us to our screen where we can turn it in. You can attach a file when I ask you to. You can even add a comment and post it. And then it's going to take you to the assigned work. So you are going to click that. It's going to take you into the text. You will also see the due date and time and the turn in button. So what you guys will be doing, of course, is annotating. And that is what we do. I'm going to delete that annotation. So we have specific guidelines that we will use in this class to annotate. You will find those in your module under annotation guidelines for our class. You must follow these guidelines. Do not deviate, okay? Do not deviate. I'm looking for the color coded. I want to see Skittles on your page because I like tasting the rainbow. I love Skittles. So anyway, so one of our annotations is to underline any vocabulary or words that we're unfamiliar with in the color yellow, and then you would define them in the margin. Well, my perspective gives you a box for you to do that. For example, let's see, seamstress. Let's say you don't know the word. What you would do is you will click on the word, double click. You will select underline. You will select the color yellow, and then you would define it in the box. So you will go out and you will find the definition. Once you find the definition, you will click save. Something else that you are required to do, you are required to make connections. Again, go back to your annotation guidelines, follow. You don't have to worry about numbering the paragraphs because it's already numbered for you. So that's an automatic win-win for you. List any connections from the text and yourself, another text, or the world in the margin. You're going to go back to the box and then you're going to change that text color to purple. Well, let's see if you have purple. Let's say, go right here, double click. Let me scroll down. Well, you don't have purple and that's fine. But so you're going to type your connections in the box. Save it. Okay? So this is what I'm expecting you all to do. I'm expecting you all to utilize our guidelines. I'm expecting to see you all generate questions about the text as you read. We're looking for level 1, level 2, and level 3 questions. You will use the sentence or the question stems below to help you generate these questions, because the best questions I will use in your assessments. And also, when you're reading, ask yourself questions and you go back and you answer those. That's how you become a critical thinker. And that's what this is all about, becoming a critical thinker. Remember, the sentence pattern of the week is the compound sentence using a semicolon. So I'm also looking for that in your writing as well. All right, you guys, have a great day. See you next class period.